Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Ops Craft. Today we are going to discuss about last class in last video we just created branch, right? But we haven't pushed it. Okay, so we will push that branch into GitHub. Okay, after pushing it into GitHub, we will learn about undo mistakes, revert, rebase, reset, all those things. Even in last class, we discussed about branching, merging, pull request, how to clone, how to fork, how to collaborate with the help of pull request. All these things we discussed. Okay, if you didn't watch that video, I'll suggest you to watch that video first and come to this. Okay, so this is the continuity of my part 2 video. Okay, so I have already posted 3 videos for Git and GitHub. Just watch that if you are new to this video. Okay, so I'll provide the playlist link in the description so you can get all these videos there. Okay, let's start first. If you if I type a git branch, okay, you can see last class, in last video we just created test branch, but we haven't pushed it. Okay, you can see the test branch. Okay, first I'll switch into test branch. Okay, using git switch test. Okay, now we have switched to branch test. Okay, I'll do git status. Okay, nothing to commit. Okay, so I'll just do we don't have anything to commit. It is showing, but if I go to repo, you can see I don't have this branch. Okay, so it seems we already committed it. Okay, so uh, what we can do is we directly push our test branch. Okay, git push origin and the branch name is test. Okay, and it is asking username, and I'll provide the username. Okay, and the password, we already stored our token in notepad, right? I'll just open that. Okay, now we push our test branch. We will go to GitHub and we will reload this page, and you can see the test branch with the file changes. Okay, so this is how you have to push your changes. You have to create the branch and you have to push that branch into GitHub. Okay, and here you can see this commit, the one commit behind master. Even you can raise the pull request. Okay, so just click contribute. Just go to master branch. Okay, it seems after that we made some change on text1.txt file. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, it's not a master branch. Okay, if you want to create a pull request, just click create pull request and click create pull request. Since I am the owner of this repo, I'll just merge it in real time. Your lead will, your GitHub admin will do it. Okay. Okay. So once you merge, first they will review the changes you made. Okay, and they will merge it. Now, like test branches up to date. Like, okay, you can see. So now we will learn about undo mistakes, revert, reset, rebase, all these things with scenario, because these are all necessary. Okay. So first one is first scenario. Okay. Consider that you committed something wrong. Okay. So what you can do, you can use git revert. You can use git revert. Okay, to create a new commit that undoes the changes. Okay, so how you can do is you can use git revert command with commit hash. Okay, so this is first scenario. Second scenario is, for example, consider you created 3 files. Okay, text1, text3.txt, text 4.txt, text 5.txt. Okay, consider you completed writing these two files, but you didn't completed this. But unfortunately, you staged it with the help of git add dot. Okay, but now you want to remove this from staging. Then what you can do is you can use git reset. Okay, or even you like I will show you. Okay, you can use to unstage this. Okay, so you can unstage this, okay, with the help of git reset. Okay, and one more scenario, for example, you want to completely erase a commit. Okay, then what you can do is you can use git reset hyphen odd, and you can provide the commit history, commit hash. Okay, so but the thing is it is very dangerous because it will erase a completely. Okay, it will completely erase a commit. Okay, so be conscious while using this. Okay, next is git git reflog. Reflog. Okay, it's like a time travel. Okay, it's like a time travel. What it will do is it will shows every state your head has pointed to, used to recover lost commits even after reset. For example, unfortunately you deleted it, you erased it. Okay, you want that lost commit, then with the help of git reflag, you can able to get it. Okay, and the next is rebase. Git rebase. What it will do is it will clean your history. Okay, it moves commits from one branch into another base. Okay, great for keeping linear history. Okay, use interactive rebase for editing commit messages and reordering and all you can do. Okay, with the help of git rebase. Okay, let me explain this with a scenario point. Okay? So you will understand it in better way how to use this in real time. Okay, for example, consider a starting point. Okay, you have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, which is main branch. Okay, you have all these things on main branch. Okay, consider like A is your initial project setup. Okay, A is initial project setup. Okay, okay, B is you added home page. Okay, added home page. C is you added in a C commit, you have added a login page. Okay, in D commit, you added checkout page. Okay, in E, you have added search feature. Okay, okay. Now you are doing git revert C, git revert, and you are reverting your C commit. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, git creates a new commit. Okay, called X that undoes the changes introduced by C commit. Importantly, C will still in history. It will still in history if you are using revert. Okay, it will be still in history, but it effects are cancelled out. So result will be okay. So result will be A will be pointed to B will be pointed to C only. Okay, C will pointed to D will be pointed to X, but it will additionally add one new commit called X. Okay, it will undo the changes that you done in C. Okay, so where C added a login page, right? It will be still there, but X says remove login page. Okay, it will undo that. Okay? What you did, it will just undo it. Okay, so you will not see that C functionality, which is login page on your GitHub. Okay, so it is safe for teams. Okay, because history is preserved. Okay, instead of erasing something from your diary, you write a new page, ignore what I wrote earlier. That is the thing. Okay, even in future if you need, you can get it. Okay, so that you can achieve with the help of git revert. Okay, for this kind of scenario you can go with git revert. Okay, next is git reset. Okay. So if you use git reset, what it will do with the same example only, I am going to cover all these things. Git reset. Okay, hyphen odd, I am going to provide b commit ash. Okay, so ash of b commit I am going to provide you. Then what it will do, git throws away all commits after b. Okay, we have up to uh, e, right? So it will erase all the commits after b. Okay, then pointer is moved back to b. Okay, so git throws all commits after b, c, d, e are gone. So the result will be a and b only. Now here is yet. Now okay, here you will have your head. Okay, so you should be very careful while you are using git reset command with the odd. Okay, it will delete all the commits that you done after b. Okay? It's a destructive. Commits after b are lost unless you find them with the I said right, ref log. Okay, uh, for example, the thing is, you report pages c, d, e from your diary and throw them away. That is the thing. Okay. Now git rebase. Now git rebase. For example, you are doing git rebase main. Okay, so what it will do? Okay, imagine you add a feature branch starting at b. Okay, for example, consider this is your main branch. Okay, your main branch structure will be a, b, c, d, e. Okay, while coming to feature branch, v, f, g. Okay, and the command you are executing git checkout feature. Okay, after that you are doing git rebasement. What it will do, git takes commits f and g. Okay, it takes commit f and g and replace them on top of the latest main, which is e. Okay, so the result will be, okay, the result will be by coming to main, it will be a, b, c, d, e. By coming to feature branch, okay, you will have f and g only. Notice f and g got a new copies. Okay, you can see I am not using normal f and g, and just I am using some quoted because rebase rewrites. Okay, the rewrites history, cleaner history. Okay, like a feature was built after e, not safe on shared branches. Okay, others may get conflict. Okay, so you rewrite your diary so it looks like you started working after e was finished, not in parallel. Okay, so next is git ref reflog. Git ref log. Okay, it shows all the movements of it. Okay? It will show the all movements. Okay? Movements of it. Okay, even those lost by reason. Okay, for example, okay, a, b, c, d, e. Okay, you reset back to b. Consider you reset back to b. Okay, so your current structure will be, okay, your result will be, if you reset back to b, okay, your result will be a to b1. B is your end, right? But c, d, e are you just like what you did, you just destroyed it, right? So now if you are using a reflog, it will shows how it will show is it will show A, B, C, D, E. After that, it will shows uh, reset to B. So it will clearly indicates that we just deleted, like we just destructed C, D, E. Okay. From reflog, we can still go back to C. Okay, by doing get checkout C or get reset or C. Okay, reflog is like a time machine for red. Okay, example is like even if you ripped out pages from your diary, your recycle bin. Okay, reflog remembers what was thrown away. Okay, so I hope you understood. Let's have a quick comparison so you will not forget all these things. Okay, comparison we will have. Okay, command what it does. Okay, save for teams. Okay, and okay, save for teams. First, if you do revert, see what it will do. It makes a new commit. Makes a new commit by undoing C commit. Okay, undoing C. Save for team, yes, obviously it is very safe. Okay? It just ignore page C, which is login page. Now next is reset hyphen or B. So what it will do? It moves branch back, branch back. Okay, it deletes commits. Okay, do it will save? No, it is not a save. Okay, because it deletes the remaining commits. Next is rebase main. Okay, it replay feature commits on top of the main. Replay feature commits on top of main. Okay, here what we are doing, we are just replay feature commits on top of main. Like whether if you are asking it is safe or not, it's only private. Okay, only private. If you are working with branches, it may affect. Okay, rewrite diary to look cleaner. Okay. Next is reflog. Okay. So it shows where get moved. Okay, shows where get moved. Okay, we can use this for recover commits also. Okay, yeah, it is safe. Okay, it is like a recycle bin of history. Okay, so you can use revert in shared repos. You can use revert hyphen or only if you are sure nobody else needs those commits. Okay, you can use rebase to clean history before merging. You can use reflog as a safety net when you mess up. Okay, so it's the thing is revert is like writing a new paragraph that says ignore the previous one. Reset is like erasing that paragraph entirely. Rebase is like retelling the story from a different starting point. Reflog is like looking through your browser history to find a lost page. Okay, have you ever broken your project and wish you could roll back to a safe point? Try reflog and see the magic. Okay, so now we will do hands-on on this. Okay, so okay, now I'll just create one new file and I'll push it. After that, we can do revert all those things. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I'll just create one more file. I think my server is not working. I'll just reopen this. So I'll just go to Git demo. I'll create one more new file which is text3.txt, and I'll add some sample content. This is my text3 file. Okay. And as usual, we will stage this first. After staging, we will commit it. Added text 3 file. Now we will just push this. Okay, we are just going to push this on branch test only. Okay, so currently we are in test branch. Okay, git push origin test. Okay. Again, you have to provide your username, all those things. Yeah, we will provide it. In real time, you can have you can just like add your username and email address, all those things in a Git file. Okay, I will let you know how to do that also. Okay. Here I am just I will test try this after this demo, so I am just entering manually one by every time. Why we are getting this issue? Any idea? Just pause the video if you know. Just let me know, because we already like what we done. We just merged the code from master branch to test branch, but we didn't pull it, right? So first we have to pull it. Okay, so you can use git pull. Okay? And you can pull it first. Okay? Pull means it will directly update the changes into your local file. Okay, so in your local repository. Okay? So the thing is what you are seeing now. Okay, we just pulled it. Okay, one change. Okay, now if I type git status, it is up to date only. So we will just push this git push origin test load abstract username. I will provide the token. Again, it is failing. Why? Any idea why it is failing again? How to fix this? If you know, just pause this video and let me know in the comment section, so I can understand uh, your perspective also. Why? We just done again git pull, right? But why still it is we are getting this? You can see it is not changed. It is not changed at all. Why? The thing is, our local branch test is behind the remote branch test on GitHub. That's why Git is refusing to push. It wants to. It wants us to first bring the changes in the bring in the remote changes. First option is what we can do. We can save it. We can merge remote changes into our branch. How we can do that? First, we have to set the upstream. Okay, so Git knows which remote branch to track. Okay, so I use Git branch. Okay, and I am setting upstream to equal to origin. Okay, test. Now what we done? We just set up upstream, so Git knows which remote branch to track. Now what we have to do? We have to pull latest changes from GitHub into our local branch, which is local repository. How to do? Git pull origin test. If I do directly, you will forget it. Okay, so only first I made a mistake and I asked you to think, and now I am fixing this issue. Okay, here you can see like what issue we are getting. Any idea? Again, just like what you can do, you can pause the video and think, and just cross check whether you what you thought is correct. Okay, so what we can do. Okay. Now what Git is telling. It is telling you that your local branch test and remote origin test have both diverged. Okay, they both have commits that the order doesn't. Okay, you need to decide how to reconcile them. Okay, first option you can go with merge. Okay, which is safe. History shows both. Okay, what it will do. Okay, what it will do. Like if you do first option, if you are going with merge, okay, it is safe and it shows both. Okay, this like for example, if I use git pull origin test hyphen no hyphen rebase, then what it will do is this will merge the remote branch into our local branch. If there are conflicts, it will ask you to resolve them. Then you can again stage commit push. Option 2 is uh, rebase. Okay, it will be cleaner history but rewrites commit. Okay, for example, if you are using instead of no rebase, if you are using rebase option 2, let me explain this whiteboard so you can understand. Okay, there are two options is that, okay, for us to address this issue. Option one is merge option. Okay, it is safe. Okay, history shows both. Okay, the command is we have to use git pull origin test hyphen no hyphen rebase. Okay, this will merge the remote branch into our local into our local branch. If there are conflicts, Git will ask you to resolve them. Then you can do staging, commit, push. Okay. Option 2 is rebase. Okay, it's a cleaner history. Okay, but rewrites commits. Then how to use? You can use git pull origin test hyphen rebase. Okay, this will take your local commits and replay them on the top of the remote branch. If there are conflicts, fix them and run. You can what you can do. You can do again git rebase continue, and you can just do git push origin test. Okay, option 3 is fast forward. Okay, only if remote is strictly ahead. Okay, option 3 also is that. Okay, I'm giving you multiple options just to explain all this rebase, no rebase, all those things. So option 3 is fast forward only. Okay, you can use git pull origin test ff stands for fast forward only. What it will do, this only works if your local branch has no unique commits. Since you got the like we got divergent branches error, this won't work in our case, but I'm just explaining it. Okay, for our situation, okay, option 1 merge or option 2 rebase will solve it. Okay, if you want to keep a clean history, go with the rebase. If you want to keep it simple and safe, go with merge. Okay, we will go with option 1, okay, which is merge. Okay, which is safer, so we are going with the, okay, I purposely made this to explain all these concepts. Okay, so we will do git pull, okay, origin test hyphen no rebase. Okay, so now what we have to do? Any idea? Okay, any idea? If I use git status, okay, you can see git push. Okay, like it has like your branch is a doc origin by test by 2 commits. You can use git push to publish your local commits. Okay, so can we push this? We will just try git pull origin test. It is already up to date. Now we can push this git push origin test. Again, it is asking username, all those things we will provide. Open. Now it is we have fixed the issue. If you reload this page now, you can see the text3.txt. Okay. Now I hope you understood how to use git pull with the no rebase. Okay. How rebase will work. Okay. And uh, even you learn about how to like set upstream to so git knows which remote branch to track. All these things we discuss, right? Now for example, if I do git history, git log. Okay, so today's date is 31, right? So here we can see this was my last commit message. Okay, I just want to revert this. Then how to do it? I want to revert this commit. Okay, so we have to use git revert command. Okay, so with the help of git revert, we can revert these changes. Okay, so now I am going to use git revert. Okay. Let's start. So I'll just come out of this and I'll come out. Okay, now we need hash, right? We need this commit hash. Okay, so I'll just use git revert. Okay, for example, you created a commit. Okay, your team is asking you to like undo the changes. Then you like undo your last commit. Then you can use git revert. Okay, and copy this commit hash. Okay, and paste it here. Revert failed. Why? Any idea why revert is failed? Again, you can mute yourself and just think. Okay, whether you are right. Okay, and let me know on comment section so I will also know. So why we are getting this? Because I want to make this video as interactive even if it is a recorded video. That's why I am asking you to think. Okay. The thing is, when reverting a normal commit, it just undoes the change. But with a merge commit, this is just a merge commit. Okay, so Git doesn't know which parent to use as a baseline. Since merges have at least two parents, you have to provide a git revert. So only it is showing -m. Okay, you have to use git revert -m, parent number, and merge commit hash. Both you have to use. Okay. So what you have to do? First, you like we have to create command as a git revert -m, and you have to provide one, okay? And you have to provide the hash. Okay, so what it will do, this will undo the merge as if the order branch changes never got merged. Okay? So this is complicated, right? So for easy explanation, since you want to understand how revert really works, we will go with this. Okay? So we will otherwise we can go with this. This is master, right? Again, I will switch to master. Git switch master. Okay, Now I am going to use git revert and this command. We are just going to modify this change. Okay, we are just going to undo this commit. Okay? Okay. Again, why we are getting this issue? Any idea? Okay. So now we reverted. Okay, this change. If I go to GitHub, okay, if I go to master branch, we can see changes were not not reflected. Why? Because we have to we just reverted the commit, but we have to push it, right? So you have to use git push origin master. Again, you have to provide the credentials. Okay, now if I go and reload this page, you can see I just reverted the change. This is how you have to undo the commit. Okay, this is how the revert will work. Okay, now you know okay, how to revert. Okay, you know how to revert and how to like how rebase works, right? So even you can do git reflog. Okay, so if you want, I will show you that. Okay, if you type git reflog, it will show all the heads. Okay? Where your head is pointing, it will show end to end. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, if you want it, like a recycle bin. Even you can use like for example, I'll create one more file, text file.txt, and I'll add some content. This is my text file. Okay, so if I do git status, it is untracked, right? I'm just tracking it. Now I am explaining how to unstage the changes. Now I am staging it. Okay, if I do git status, okay, I have staged the change, but by mistake I changed this stage. Okay, I am still working on it. How to unstage it? Okay, how to unstage? With the help of restore, you can unstage it. Okay, git restore hyphen staged, and you can provide the file name text.txt. Now if I do git status, again it will be untracked. Okay? This is how you have to track and untrack the changes. Okay, even you can do hard reset also. Okay, if you do hard reset, remaining commits will be deleted. Okay? For example, if you use git reset, okay, hyphen or, okay, and I'll provide some branch. Okay, I'll just provide this hash. Okay? After or I'll provide this. I'll just copy this. Git reset hyphen or, and I provide that hash. Okay, now it is again changed. If you use git reflog, you can see here what it is showing. Now it is 3 and 9. Okay, this was the 3 and 9, right? So again we just resetted to this. Okay, remaining commits are deleted, but you can see the history and reflog. That is the advantage of ref. Okay, this is how we have to work with git operations. Okay, so this is all about in this video. If you like this breakdown, subscribe to Cloud Ops Craft. We will simplify cloud and DevOps concept every week. Okay, we'll meet you on next video. Okay, still one more video is pending. Okay, while coming to Git. Okay, that is bonus video, how to use Git, ignore all those things I cover. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you all.